Hello everybody, my name is Roshan Shetty and I am back with another video. In this video, I'll be sharing about the different courses that are available to a commerce student after his HSC examination. It has been noticed that many students are confused because they don't have an idea कि उनके पास what are the different courses available है कि सर मैं करूँ क्या after 12th standard. So I made this video wherein I'll be sharing about more than around it is more than 10 courses that I'll be sharing in this video. It will be in a nutshell, so I will suggest कि अगर आपको इसका डिटेल जानकारी चाहिए तो you should go to Google and search for it. So let's get started. So the first three courses that I would like to discuss with you all is the CA course, which is also the most reputed and it is considered as the most difficult course after 12th standard, the Chartered Accountancy course. So the three top courses that are available in commerce are the CA course, Chartered Accountant course, the Company Secretary, which is also known as CS course, and Cost and Management Accountant, which is known as CMA. So I'll write down the names here, CS and this is CA. So what is the eligibility for these three courses? Eligibility is 12th standard. You should clear your 12th standard examination. There is no percentage consideration कि मेरे को 50% से कम आएगा, 60% से कम आएगा तो मैं नहीं कर सकता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Any person who clears his 12th standard can get into these three courses. अब ये तीनों कोर्स है कैसा? There will be an entrance exam. Let's get start with this Chartered Accountancy course. Chartered Accountancy course is a 3-level course, wherein the first level is known as the CA Foundation. CA Foundation. Next comes the CA Intermediate course and then the CA Final course. The entire duration for this course is around 4.5 years if you clear this course in first attempt. First attempt होना, it's like you need to work really hard for it. It is, I won't say it is very difficult. It is a challenging course. आपको आपका जी जान लगाना पड़ता है. If you are planning कि नहीं मेरे को मेरा college enjoy करना है, I want to live my college life, then I would say that आप ये course को opt मत कीजिएगा because it requires some sacrifice. आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You'll have to put in the entire efforts. एक 4.5 years का courses है. So this is the first course that I would like to talk about. Now let's get to the second course, the Company Secretary course. Again, this course is also divided into 3 levels. The first level is known as the CS Foundation, then comes the CS Executive, and then comes the CS Final course. This course will also take 4 to 5 years depending upon how fast you are completing it. Next comes the Cost Accountant course, the CMA course. Again, this course is also same. There are 3 levels. First one is the foundation, second one is the intermediate, and the final one is the final course. This course also takes around 4 to 5 years. You can do it simultaneously with your 12th standard. After your 12th standard, once you complete your 12th standard examination, you can enroll for these courses and you can do it simultaneously. सर नहीं, मुझे 3 कोर्स करना ही नहीं है. I'm not interested in these courses जहाँ पर मुझे इतना पढ़ना है. So what are the different courses that are available? So the courses that are available with me after my 12th standard are as follows. First one is the BCom course. All these courses are for 3 years. But what is the difference? Let me explain. So BCom course is for 3 years, as I just said. BCom course is a normal BCom where you will be a graduate, a commerce graduate. बट नहीं सर मेरे को खाली प्लेन बीकॉम नहीं करना है, वांट टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, मतलब स्पेशलाइज्ड बीकॉम करना है, तो दीज आर द अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव्स दैट आर विथ यू. इफ यू वांट टू लर्न अबाउट द मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स देन यू कैन गो फॉर BMS डिग्री विच इज अगेन फॉर 3 years. इफ यू आर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स बैंकिंग जॉब कि मेरे को बैंक में जॉब चाहिए, देन यू कैन गो फॉर बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस विच इज अगेन फॉर 3 years. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि नहीं सर मेरे को बैंकिंग भी नहीं चाहिए, मैनेजमेंट भी नहीं चाहिए, मेरा अकाउंट्स वगैरह बहुत अच्छा है, आई वांट टू लर्न समथिंग इन अकाउंटेंसी, देन यू कैन गो फॉर अकाउंटिंग एंड फाइनेंस कोर्स विच इज अगेन फॉर 3 years. सर मैं पढ़ाई में अच्छा नहीं हूँ, आई एम गुड एट कंप्यूटर्स, मेरे को कंप्यूटर्स का अच्छा नॉलेज है, आई वांट टू लर्न द न्यू प्रोग्रामिंग सिस्टम्स, वो सब मुझे सीखना है, देन यू कैन गो फॉर BCA कोर्स विच इज बैचलर्स इन कंप्यूटर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. नहीं सर मेरे को ये सब में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, आई वांट टू बी अ जर्नलिस्ट, मेरे को जर्नलिस्ट बनना है, मेरे को अपना एक एडवर्टाइजिंग कंपनी खोलना है, देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस कोर्स दैट इज बैचलर्स इन मास मीडिया विच इज अगेन फॉर 3 years. And since being a commerce student, economics is one of your important subject, you can also do bachelor's in economics, which also takes 3 years. So these are the different courses that are available. If you want to enroll for these courses, ये जो BMS, BBI and BAF, your 12th standard percentage should be very high. If you want to get into a very good college, आपका 12th standard का percentage should be more than 85% if you want to enter into a very good college. Now what do you mean by a good college? A good college means that college wherein the knowledge sharing will be very high, and at the same time there will be campus selection when I am in my third year or final year of my degree. So these are the different courses that are available. So I would suggest all 12th standard students, if you are watching these videos, you are left with from now you count around 50 days. So I would tell you all ki put in all your efforts and make sure that you get into a good college so that your career gets set. So these are the different courses that are available. Now, what are the other courses that are available? The other courses that are available are these. Okay, let's see. The first course that I'm talking about is Bachelor's of Law. Sir, मेरे को LLB करना है. I want to be a lawyer. So if you want to be a lawyer, you can do it after your 12th standard. There are two types, a 3-year course and a 5-year course. So if you're doing after your 12th standard, you can go for 5-year course. If you're doing after your BCom, you can go for a 3 years course. And for students who are currently studying in 12th standard, I'll tell you all कि ये जो law का entrance exam है, इसका form filling is in the month of January 2019. So make sure कि आप January 2019 में जाके नेट में सर्च करो कि इसका form filling ये सब आपका Jan 2019 में होगा, registration and all stuff. So make sure that you save this date and you don't miss it out, क्योंकि अगर आपने मिस कर दिया तो आपको डायरेक्ट देना पड़ेगा in January 2020. So जरा ध्यान रखिएगा इसका. You have an entrance exam for law that you need to crack, and on the basis of that marks, entrance exam का जो आपका marks है, entrance exam is in the month of May. Though dates I am not sure about, but it is in the month of May. So entrance, depending on your marks that you have scored, you can get into the college accordingly. So the next course, which is आजकल बहुत famous चल रहा, that is the hotel management course. So the hotel management course, there are 3 varieties in it. A certificate course, you can go for a certificate course which is around for 6 months to 1 year. You can go for a diploma course which is for 1 year to 3 years duration, or you can go for a degree course which is for 3 years and more. So there are 3 different courses. Hotel management generally लोगों को लगता है कि मैं जाके होटल में वेटर बनूंगा. It's not like that. होटल मैनेजमेंट में आप सिर्फ वेटर ही नहीं बनते हो. होटल मैनेजमेंट you can become a chef, you can manage a big restaurant joints जो बहुत सारे इस दुनिया में है, मतलब there are some big hotels. So it is not just waiter. So ये जो आपका thinking है उसको there need to be some changes in it. So apart from these, some more courses. अभी आप पक गए रहेंगे, आपने सोचा भी नहीं रहेगा कि यार इतना भी सारा courses है क्या. So let's start. These are the final 4 courses that I would like to discuss. Actuarial science. Now what is this actuarial science? Actuarial science generally ये कहाँ use होता है? In insurance companies wherein they assess the risk कि मतलब अगर इसका इंश्योरेंस निकाला तो कितना चांसेस है मतलब मेरे को लॉस होने में. So actuarial science is basically about math and statistics. If you are very good in math, you should go for actuarial science course, which is a 4-stage course. It is a 4-stage course wherein it consists of 15 papers. 15 papers. Maximum उसमें मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स ही होता है. सो इफ यू आर वेरी स्ट्रांग इन मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स, यू शुड गो फॉर एक्चुअल साइंस. सर नहीं, मेरे को ना पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, आई एम गुड एट एनिमेशन, मेरे को कार्टून वगैरह बनाना अच्छा लगता है, मैं वो सब लाइन में जाना चाहता हूँ, देन यू कैन गो फॉर योर एनिमेशन एंड मल्टीमीडिया कोर्सेज. हियर यू कैन गेट इनटू सम डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज एंड आप इसमें भी कर सकते हो. या इफ यू आर गुड एट इवेंट मैनेजमेंट, सर मैं इवेंट मैनेज करने में अच्छा है, मैं डीजे बनना चाहता हूँ, सो देर आर डिफरेंट कोर्सेज अवेलेबल. सी बेसिकली व्हाट आई फील जनरल इज आपको वो करना चाहिए व्हाट यू लव. मैं 3 इडियट्स का कॉपी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट सीरियसली आई ऑल्सो फील द सेम कि इफ यू आर गुड एट समथिंग यू शुड डू दैट. मतलब मेरे घर वाले मुझे ये करना बोल रहे लेकिन मैं दूसरा करना चाहता हूँ. आई वुड डिफर इन दिस ओपिनियन कि आपको वो करना चाहिए विच यू थिंक इज गुड फॉर यू. And the final course, that is the fashion designing course, which is for 3 to 4 years, and you can also opt for a diploma course which is for 1 to 2 years. So for detailed explanation या इसके बारे में डिटेल जानकारी के लिए I would suggest you all कि you go to Google and search for yourself and dhundo thoda. I'm planning to make one more video wherein I'll discuss about the entire CA curriculum, जहाँ पर आपको पता चलेगा कि फर्स्ट एग्जाम के बाद सेकेंड एग्जाम के बीच में देर इज कितना ड्यूरेशन, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू डू, इंटर्नशिप कब करना है, एंड बीच में देर आर डिफरेंट कोर्सेज दैट यू नीड टू कंप्लीट, वो कौन सा कोर्सेज है. ऑल दिस कोर्सेज विल बी एक्सप्लेन्ड इन डिटेल. आई होप दिस वीडियो विल बी यूजफुल फॉर ऑल माई 12th standard students and the entire 12th standard students who are appearing for their board examination. I wish you all luck. God bless you all. Hope आपने जितना भी ये साल में मेहनत किया होगा, you come out with flying colors. Do like and subscribe this video and do share it with your friends. Maybe it will be useful for them to set their careers. Thank you. God bless you all. See you.